In this episode, we are looking at the best robot vacuum on the market for every price range. Thinking of how to get your home properly cleaned without stress? Looking to get your carpets and deep crevices of your house cleaned thoroughly? This is where the robot vacuum cleaner is of great help. This is particularly handy for people who do not like their weekends to be occupied with domestic chores. Let us take a look into the best robot vacuum cleaners in the market. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's performance, price, or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like, video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. At number 1. Eufy BoostIQ RoboVac 11S. This is an affordable, high-performance robot vacuum cleaner. This robot vacuum runs very quietly when in operation, getting rid of all accumulated dirt and dust with its powerful suction and BoostIQ technology feature. It is resistant to scratches with the anti-scratch covering and comes with infrared and edge-detecting sensors for easily detecting obstacles and when it is close to an edge. It automatically recharges itself, making it ready for use anytime. However, the preset cleaning times options are not many. At number 2. iLife V5S Pro. This robot vac has powerful suction and a dual cleaning system to ensure proper cleaning of the house. This makes it suited to cleaning all floor types as well. It has an efficient motor that runs quietly when in use, getting rid of all accumulated pet hairs, dirt, and dust. It is available for use at any time as the battery automatically recharges itself when it is down. On the downside, it has a below-average mopping function. At number 3. iRobot Roomba i7 Plus. This robot vacuum cleaner arrives with a progressive eye-adaptive V-slam navigation operation that guarantees adequate cleaning of all areas of the house, while averting impact with any hindering furnishings. Quality cleaning is also ensured with the strong suction force. Hands-free control of this device is performed with the help of the mobile app and Alexa or Google Voice control. It is constantly prepared for use as it automatically restores itself when the battery is running short. This robot vac possesses great air filters, suited for people who have allergies as regards pet hairs. However, it is a bit pricey. What can you say about our first 3 products? If you have comments or questions, then just leave them in the comments section and we will attend to them immediately. There are more products on our list, so you will still have more choices to come. If you are not yet a subscriber of our channel, then please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press on the bell icon to get an instant notification of when upload a new video. Now let's continue. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like, video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. That's all for this video. Hope you liked it, and if you did, please go ahead and give it a like. If you are new to the channel and you liked it, consider subscribing. We also do all kinds of videos like this over a number of products, all aimed to provide the best products and making purchasing decisions easier. Be sure to check out the descriptions for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope everyone has a great day, and until next time, I will see you guys later.